Ciao everybody, Caterina here. Welcome to my kitchen. It's early Saturday morning. This is the time that my husband and I have our breakfast date. We were in Switzerland not too long ago, and in one of the places we were staying, they had the most wonderful Swiss fluffy pancakes. I have the recipe. Now let's get started. Swiss fluffy pancakes. We had these in Switzerland. They're delicious. This is what we will be preparing today. For best results, all your ingredients have to be at room temperature. To begin, 3 tablespoons of melted and cooled butter, 2.5 tablespoons of sugar. I'm using a mixer. You can do this by hand. 1 large egg. Stop your mixer and add 1 teaspoon of vanilla bean extract. 1 1/4 cup of full fat milk. I'm just going to steam it in. The wet ingredients is done, we can begin with the dry. I'm going to need 1.5 cups of sifted all-purpose flour. Flour, 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt, 3 tablespoons of baking powder. Give it a really good mix. Ready to add the dry to the wet, a little bit at a time. I'm going to sprinkle it in. Stop the machine and do a scrape down, right down to the bottom. The batter for my fluffy Swiss pancake is ready. Transfer your batter to a glass bowl. Plastic wrap your bowl very tightly and in the refrigerator for a minimum of an hour. For pancakes, nothing beats clarified butter because it has an extremely high smoking point and it won't burn your pancakes. I have set my griddle at 300. I'm using these pancake molds. I like the fact of them all coming out the same size. I brush the inside of the molds with clarified butter and we can start filling our pancake molds. Using a 1/3 cup scooper or a 1/4 cup scooper, whatever you prefer. Cook them 2 minutes on each side. Beautiful. Look how fluffy, and you don't need very much batter. Woo, there we are. Perfect. My Swiss fluffy pancakes are ready. You could only smell my kitchen. I'm going to add some blueberries. It's definitely my favorite berry. A dollop of chantilly whipping cream. We love whipping cream with pancakes and with waffles. Of course, pure maple syrup, only the real thing. We absolutely had a spectacular time in Switzerland. The people, the food, everything was just breathtaking. And I strongly recommend that if you're even thinking about going, go. I'm right back in Switzerland. Delicious. I want to thank you so much for joining me this morning, and it's Caterina from my home to yours. Don't forget to hit your like button, and if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel and share my recipes.